After meeting our family at the Canadian border, we drove from Bellingham to Seattle, Washington. We checked in at the Renaissance Hotel in downtown Seattle, about half a mile from Seattle Public Market. We mainly stayed at Marriott hotels because my mom gets a nice discount and rewards through her Marriott Bonvoy account. Because of her elite status, she gets to stay in upgraded rooms. We will provide a link in the description below so you can also sign up and get rewards.
See that? Look. Going to Pike Market.
We rested a little bit, then walked towards the Seattle Public Market. It's half a mile from the hotel, so it took us approximately 30 minutes. Also, it's downhill, so it makes it a lot easier to walk.
So this is Seattle.
Yep,
What do you think of Seattle?
I like it.
You like it so far?
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
It looks like Los Angeles or something. I don't want to look at it. We just saw a very inappropriate building. Not building, statue. The first spot we went to is the Seattle Great Wheel. Then we walked again towards the Seattle Public Market.
Let's go up. We can do this.
I'm excited. Every time we come here, we pay a visit to the golden pig known as Rachel the Piggy Bank. The Seattle Public Market, or also known as Pike Place Market, that opened in 1907, overlooking the Elliott Bay waterfront on Puget Sound. It serves as a place of business for many small farmers, craftspeople, and merchants. It is named for its central street, Pike Place, which runs northwest from Pike Street to Virginia Street on the western edge of downtown Seattle. At the Pike Place Market, you will also see the first Starbucks store. Okay guys, I'm in Seattle and over here is the very first Starbucks. In In 1986, the nonprofit Pike Place Market Foundation decided a piggy bank was just what was needed to raise funds to support housing and services for low-income neighbors. The foundation hired Whidbey Island sculptor Georgia Gerber to create the bronze beauty Christian Rachel in honor of the 750-pound pig who won the first place at the 1985 Island County Fair. After walking around the vastness of the market, we took a much-needed break and watched cars and people go by.
Hello.
Hello. We're waiting for our Uber ride. It's
Yeah.
in 6 minutes or 5.
Probably like 4 minutes now. Just waiting.
Do you want to sit on
Waiting.
the curb? Yeah. We're sitting on the curb. We didn't want to walk uphill to our hotel, so we grabbed an Uber.
Bye.
We left Mom. That's it for today, and I hope you like our video. Until next time, bye!